The Supreme Court has dismissed the appeal filed by Minister of Transportation Rotimi Amaechi seeking to stop his probe over an alleged 96 billion naira fraud. In a lead judgment prepared by Justice Emmanuel Agim but read by Justice Adamu Jaro, the Apex Court dismissed the appeal of Mr. Ameachi on the grounds that the issue of not being given fair hearing does not arise as he is not on trial. Now, following
of the APC presidential primaries, which former Rivers State Governor Rotimi Amechi is to play a prominent part, being one of the aspirants. It is why this Supreme Court judgment giving Rivers State the authority to probe its former governor over an alleged 96 billion fraud is coming at such an auspicious time. Governor Nyesom Wike had constituted a 7-probe panel to investigate how the sum of 96 billion naira was allegedly withdrawn from the treasury of the state government and how it was expended during the tenure of Mr. Amechi as governor of the state. The Commission of Inquiry headed by Justice George Omikeji was to look into the lawful or otherwise sales of valuable assets of the state. The listed valuable assets as Umok Gas Turbine, Afam Gas Turbine, Transamadi Gas Turbine, Eleme Gas Turbine, Olympia Hotel, and the award of contract for the execution of the monorail project. This move by Governor Wike has prompted Mr. Amechi to approach the court to stop this action, which he termed as a witch hunt. He lost at both the High Court and the Court of Appeal, hence his decision to take the case to the Supreme Court. In a lead judgment of the Supreme Court, prepared by Justice Emmanuel Agim, but read by Justice Adamu Jaro, the Apex Court dismissed the appeal of Mr. Amechi on grounds that the issue of not being given fair hearing does not arise as he is not on trial. The move by Rivers State Government is a panel of inquiry into the alleged fraud. The court ruled that the suit lacked merit and subsequently dismissed it, with the appellant Rotimi Amechi having to pay the respondent Rivers State the sum of 1 million naira as cost. The former governor had predicated his opposition to the probe on the ground that it was aimed at witch-hunting him, to embarrass him, humiliate him, and to as well disgrace him in view of his political differences with his governor Nyesom Wike. Will all this affect his chance at the APC primaries, considering the fact that Mr. Amechi is not on trial and since the probe is just taken off and he has not yet been indicted of dipping his hands in the till? These questions will be determined on how well the former minister can manage delegates he is trying to convince to give him their support. Inevitably, Mr. Amechi with this judgment now has much to prove to the panel of inquiry and must answer their questions as there are no order or litigation stopping him from doing so. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.